So, as Prabhakar sir was telling, the East is developing very fast. Yes, we are also witnessing that. As far as the State Bank of India is concerned, in Telangana state, we have 50,000 crores home loan portfolio. Recently we crossed 50,000 and entire India say up, if you see, we have crossed 6 trillion, 6 lakhs crores of home loan business. So in as a city, in here we have 11 processing centers where the only home loans, it is a home loan sanctioning factory where across the entire city we have more than 350 branches of State Bank of India. All the applications will come there, and these 10 centers, the processing and sanctioning is happening. Every month we are dispersing more than 1,400, 1,500 crores. So you can assume that how much is the more than 3,000 applications we are processing. As Prabhakar Sarji is asking regarding the what are all the facilities for the citizen of this Hyderabad center, especially the much growing centers here in East. So we have all kind of varieties of the products which are suitable for the customers, whether you take the young professionals, businessmen, or retirees, or the even agriculturist also. So as far as the young professional and all, there are I think a lot of the software industries have now started their business here. So many new young professionals are coming up, and we are giving 20% more than their eligibility of their the income. So that they can, now I think the trend is, you are aware, see within, even though housing loan period, more than 25-30 years repayment period is there, but the young professionals, whoever has joined the software industries who are taking more salary every month, they will not keep us more than 8 or 10 years. Within 8 or 10 years, they will close this loan and moving to the higher version, whether it is a 3 BHK or 4 BHK. So for them also we have a very good schemes, and the for the businessmen also. Businessmen, see now here, especially in Telangana, a lot of business professional business persons and professionals are also there. So based on their annual income, so we are giving them the home loans. Of late, I think we have seen in that area also a lot of the businessmen are coming forward, because now the income tax rules has made the very stringent norms where the cash purchase and cash sales has almost came to an end. Now everyone, even the businessman also has to file a return, and if they want to avail the loan, they have to come for the banks, and we have a very good attractive scheme for the businessmen also. And the retirees also, whoever is getting retired, we are allowing them, if anybody is government servants are getting retired, so we are giving the repayment up to 75 years of age. So even though whoever is retiring in 1 or 2 years, if they come to us and they approach us, we will allow up to 75 years based on their income, and the future income is we will recon as their pensions. So we have all sort of the varieties of the home loans, and not only home loans. If any customer is having home loans and he needs any no additional funds within 3 years, after the lapse of 3 years, we will give them the personal loan also. So very attractive rate of interest. So whether it is the young customers or businessmen or the retirees, whoever wants, after availing the home loan, they are eligible for additional 20 or 30% based on their income. So we are giving them the top up. So my request, everyone, the whoever visiting this property show, my request, we have a very good stall here, and we have more than 100 the branches in these east areas. My request, kindly come to us. State Bank of India has always been the choice of the customers, especially in home loan. So we will ready to deliver any kind of services you require. With this, I hope I have given the proper no reply to the Pravakar sir. Thank you, sir.
So, thank you. So, three, four things I'll cover, what Mr. Prabhakar Rao asked. In terms of loans being available for various segments. So, of course, employed segment and Hyderabad is IT hub, pharma hub, infrastructure hub. So, all those employees get very easy loans. But apart from that, businessmen also we categorize into two categories. One is the formal segment, who has formal income tax returns and formal business address and everything is there. So those loans of course are processed. But apart from that, we also have informal business segment which is covered through our product HDFC Reach. So we, even if somebody is not filing returns very regularly, we have the model to assess income for that informal segment. In employed also, we have loans for informal segment, people who are working on cash salaries, people who are working with small private limited SMEs or even proprietorship firms. We have products, and we have been quite successful in that segment. So that is one. This HDFC Reach product was launched a little over 5 years ago, and we have got a very fair bit of success in that. In terms of rural income, we have been having the product for now almost last 15 years. So we call it RHF, Rural Housing Finance. So rural housing finance also is split into two categories. One is the rural property, one is the rural income. So I assume Prabhakar Rao Garu's question was more in terms of rural income. So even if the farmer is not filing income tax return for the rural income, we have assessment methods to assess income based on crop reports. So whether it is paddy, whether it is wheat for Telangana, whether it is various kinds of mango gardens, grape gardens and all those things. For Andhra people on the fish culture. So we have various kind of income assessment methods which have been developed over the last 15 years. So those loans are done. Now, in terms of people from outside of Hyderabad belonging to different towns in Telangana buying properties. So now I am happy to say in the last, so we started expanding slowly in the other towns of Telangana since 2014, since the state formation. In fact, the first office was opened in Warangal in June 2014, which is just 8 years ago. Now I am happy to say that we have 15 offices outside of Hyderabad, be it Warangal, Khammam, Karimnagar, Adilabad, Kamareddy, Vanaparthi, Mahbub Nagar, Sangareddy. So all these times, Suryapet, Miryalguda, Manchiryal, Siddipet. So there are 15 towns in Telangana where HDFC has offices to cater to people buying properties there, or people, especially people who are buying properties in Hyderabad. So that ways HDFC is able to have that balance of funding various income segments as well as people belonging to various locations. So I hope that covers most of the questions. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everybody. First of all, I tell my branch expansion in Telangana. In Telangana state, Hyderabad, 22 branches in Bank of Maharashtra branches are there in Hyderabad city. And in Telangana, 26 branches in various districts covered the Telangana state, across the Telangana state. Total 48 branches across the Telangana state, Bank of Maharashtra spread in the Telangana state. Earlier, Hyderabad zone consists of Hyderabad and Vijayawada, both zones covered by Hyderabad only. In last year, June, the Hyderabad zone is separated and only Telangana state 48 branches. In Andhra state, Vijayawada zone covers the 32 branches. So we are covered 46 branches in Telangana, Bank of Maharashtra. So we are offering the different segments, like Prabhakar sir said, salaried class, non-salaried class, business people, agriculture sector. We are offering the different income criteria for the housing loan offering to the different segments. So in Hyderabad, there are software employees growing in and around high-tech city, Gachibowli area. The software is grooming. So we are offering the software professionals also. We are offering the Maha Super Housing Loan and Maha Super Flexi Loan also we are introduced recently to the benefit of the borrowers. So we are catering to the all segments to the borrowers of the housing loan borrowers, and not only the salaried class, agriculture class, business people. Every segment we are offering the housing loan to the borrowers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Um, like our HDFC and SBI counterparts, they have already told. LIC Housing Finance also has got a biggest network, one of the largest networks of branches in across Telangana. For the information of the people gathered here, we have 19 branches across Telangana, covering almost all the nook and corner of entire Telangana state. This side, the westernmost part is Sangareddy, and we have outside city, Karimnagar, Warangal, Nizamabad, and this side we have Jadcherla and Nalgonda also this side. They are all full-fledged branches with total facilities connected to the head office. And apart from this, we have got one digital office also. Our customers can sit anywhere in Telangana, particularly, or Andhra in general, entire Andhra Pradesh. They can sit any corner of the place, and they can log in their request application form, and then the same thing can be processed as though they have given the form directly physically in any of the branches, and it will be handled in equal competence and in a record time that can be processed, and the loan can be delivered. So we have different products to cater to the different population, sections of the population. Like regular home loan products, we have for all the top cops employees or all approved organizations, including government, state government, central government, banks, LIC, the so-called software companies, all big companies, reputed MNCs, everything. Apart from this, we have a product for people who are working in less known organizations, because our customers cannot be always expected to be working in a big organizations or government employees, something like that. And nowadays, people are employed in different industries in different sectors, which are very less known to us, or either to they are coming in big numbers. So we have products for such people also, people who are working in small organizations, who are not working particularly in limited companies, who are working in small companies or partnership firms, or even a big reputed proprietorship concerns also. We have products like that. And we have products for self-employed. In self-employed also, like my counterpart told, there are two categories of self-employed people: the very well-organized self-employed business industry, or the less organized people who have just started about a couple of years back and filing their returns only for a couple of years, not necessarily for 3, 4, 5 years. And we have product for them also. And our team will visit their industry, their place of business, assess their income or the cash flows system, and then on the basis of that, loans can be offered to them. So different products are there. Even the retired people who are drawing pension, we have a pension scheme which can go up to 80 years of their age. The term can go up to 80 years of their age. And we have products for class 4 employees. Generally, this segment of the population or the employment are a little neglected. Not many are interested to give them loans or offer loans for class 4 employees. but LIC Housing Finance has got a product for them also. And so with this, almost all the employment classes or the self-employment classes who are looking for or who are seeking a home loan within Telangana, any place of Telangana are covered. And of course, this is all about the individual funding, and we have project funding also that most of the people knows. We have a project finance department exclusively uh, who will have tie-ups with the regular, reputed or whoever comes, builders, and then they'll deliver their products. And the back-end operations sitting in Hyderabad, Madhapur, will cater to the all the branches, and the timings or TAT, whatever we call the turnaround time, is very fast. Is very in the sense it is minimal. Turnaround time is very minimal. Customers can be delivered their product or their home loan in a record time, and we have a repayment systems also where customer need not move here and there through a digital this thing called eNash. Repayments also can be made. So this overall, the complete the loan process, everything is very much simplified with very limited documentation or a easy documentation, and user friendly or sometimes customized also. So they feel very comfortable. So I request all the builders here to have a first-hand experience once they visit their office. Uh, Definitely, you will find the difference. Normally, LIC or this kind of governmental kind of organizations, people will have different apprehensions. They are all old. They are all very old kind of thinking. Now, if somebody can visit, one can visit our office, one will know what is the kind of products we are delivering, what is the kind of service we are offering, and how this can be done. The entire modus operandi can be felt by first-hand this thing visit. So, thank you, sir. Thank you giving this opportunity to me to present LIC Housing Finance before you. Thank you.